Mr. Harinder Singh. Professor machine. When you put the part in the CNC machine, cut the machine. आप लोग अरे भाई देखिए आप लोग हंसिए मत. देखिए आप लोग हंसेंगे तो मैं आपको एचओडी के पास ले लूंगा फिर. अब देखिए energy transfer with heat flow. ds is equal to d to dp. When heat is added to a system, dq is positive and the energy of the system increases. When the heat is removed from the system, dq is negative and the entropy of the system decreases. तो देखिए आप लोग देखिए आप लोगों ने अपना Amazon चेक किया कि नहीं? Any problem? Come to my chamber. So thank you so much. Thank you. And next up, it's our physics teacher, Dr. Jean Pandey. I think the EC people also know Dr. Jean Pandey. Has anyone taught you physics? Okay. बहुत ही देखिए बहुत सिंपल है. देखिए अगर मेरे पास आता है आपको वेब थ्योरी. वेब थ्योरी ऐसा वेब ट्रांसवर्स होते हैं, लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल वेब, स्टेबल इन स्ट्रेट लाइन. आप लोगों को समझ आ ठीक है? अरे बोलो ठीक है बोल. अरे why you enter the class without asking me? Why you not enter me? Why you not enter me without asking? तुम्हारा दोषी देखिए. अरे देखिए भाई देखिए अब I'll take your ID card. काश एक दिन मिल जाते तो हम एग्जाम में बहुत अच्छा कर पाते, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं. देखिए बीटेक खत्म हो गया भाई, प्लेसमेंट हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, हो जाएगा. देखिए बहुत ही सिंपल है और बहुत ही अच्छे करना है. And my wishes are with you. Okay, now coming back to mechanical, our PL sir, Ajay Sharma sir. And Ajay Sharma sir was sitting in his cabin for the first time when I interacted with him. He's okay, he's not here. So he was sitting and there was a lot of mess about the elective system and everything. किसी को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या elective ले क्या ना ले, हर रोज list change हो रही थी, you know. So I went to his cabin and my lawyer, तुम्हारे इलेक्टिव सेलेक्ट हुए कि नहीं? अभी मुझे परेशान मत करो. देखो अभी मैं परेशान मत करो. अभी मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, तो क्लास में तुम्हें समझाऊंगा मैं. और पुलकिट का है, पुलकिट एक बार पुलकिट के लिए ताली बजा भाई. पुलकिट तुम किसी काम के नहीं हो. और ये न्यूमेरिकल जो मैंने दिया है, देखिए हाइड्रोलिक सिस्टम, न्यूमेटिक सिस्टम, ये सब क्लियर होना चाहिए तुम्हें. और ये सब एग्जाम में आएंगे. और न्यूमेरिकल जो मैंने दिया, सोलेनॉइड वॉल, पपेट वॉल, स्पूल वॉल, स्प्रिंग सोलेनॉइड, ये सब तुम्हें आने चाहिए. सब करूँगा मैं, don't worry. Ajay sir is going to kill me if he sees this. Now, the second last, as you guys said, our HOD sir, Professor Vivek Kumar sir. Once again, I would just before saying anything, I would just once again request sir, I won't be insulting anyone. It would be nothing offensive, and it's something with love. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Again, today will be studying the auto cycle. Auto cycle was first proposed by Nicholas Otto, and अच्छा नाम लिया भाई. PV diagram represents the suction and exhaust processes, and 1 to 2 represents isentropic compression of the air. When the piston moves from the bottom dead center to the top dead center, the fuel starts burning. Increase in the compression ratio leads to an increase in the mean effective pressure as well as the thermal efficiency of the engine. So, सागर खर्चे आपके खर्चे ठीक चल रहे हैं भाई. सिंघानिया जी आप हैं, अच्छा वीडियो बना रहे हैं. सिंघानिया जी के लिए ताली बजा देंगे और टॉपर है हमारे. और सिंघानिया जी कुछ डाउट है आपको ऑटो साइकिल में? अच्छा नहीं है, स्टेज पे आगे पूछेंगे? नहीं, चलो केबिन में आएंगे. अच्छा ये केबिन में आके डाउट पूछते हैं मुझसे. So tomorrow we'll be having the presentation which will be of 4 marks, and भाई आपका ड्रेस कोड बहुत मैटर करता है भाई, ठीक है? And you don't have to look at the slide while doing the presentation. You have to look at the audience, okay? And okay, that was Professor Vivek Kumar. I'm so sorry, sir. It's all in the humor, sir. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. A huge round of applause for Professor Vivek Kumar, our HOD. Please, everyone. Okay. I'm actually nervous. I'm actually trembling from inside because this last performance is of someone we all fear from. Sir, Colonel Kesar Singh. I put this inside because he is just too hilarious for this to be written. And so I had my MTC camp in January, and I went to his office to ask to inquire about the dates, and it was actually Sangatan time also. So a player, he was a shooter. He had come in his office, and Sir was in a mood to tell everyone who has won how many medals in Sangatan, and so here was Sir. Yes, but sir, can I ask you for that? But MTC 48, it's happening in January. It's happening in January. It will be from 14 January to 18 January. You don't know any you don't have to ask anything. What is the CGP? Tell me what's the CGPA? Sir, 6.7, sir. Bus! This is nothing. This is nothing. Oh, look at this. Look at this girl. She's pretty. ये देखो ये photo देखो. She's pretty 9.1 CGPA and winning gold medals every year. What are you doing? टेबल टेनिस ये देखो 5 जने खड़े हुए हैं टेबल टेनिस की वो दे गोल्ड मेडल पकड़ यार बेटे आपको इतना बड़ा कद दिया भगवान he said to the shooting player बेटे आपको इतना बड़ा कद दिया भगवान ने और आपको मैं 400 मीटर में दौड़ाता हूँ बेटे पिस्तौल नहीं चलेगी आपसे आपको मैं 400 मीटर में दौड़ाता हूँ बेटे इतना बड़ा कद दिया भगवान ने आपको and trust me, that guy was in tears, and he did not know what to say. And then Sir told an incident about his somewhere back in the past. He just told us that once in my colony, there was a club of people who were shooting there. He bloody shot in the head of someone. He fall dead. He bloody shot in the head of someone, he fall dead. बेटे मारना किसी को नहीं है आपने देखो शूटिंग अगर नहीं होती तो मत करो मैं आपको लॉन्ग जंप कराता हूँ यार वी डोंट हैव लॉन्ग जंप किसी को पिस्तौल नहीं मारनी बेटे किसी को गोली नहीं मारनी अगर किसी को गोली लग गई तो चांसलर और एनीवन won't be able to save you only Nanak will save you nobody will be able to save you only Nanak will save you बेटे I can see Shefali, I can see the Sangatan. When the Sangatan was happening, it was the girls' football final match, and Shefali was one of the players from ACID. They were playing against ALS Delhi, and unfortunately they did lose in that match on penalties. But there was an incident when the ball went really high up in the air, and of course. Very hard-working Colonel Kesar Singh sir, he was there to boost them up for the match, and he was there, and the ball went really high up, and Shefali came under the ball, and she hit it backwards towards her own goalkeeper. Now sir saw this, we're losing the match. Sir saw this, and he's like, "Oh, but goal hote nahi hote." Bloody hit it there, yaar. If you don't hit it, I'll expel you from the university. And there was a match, I think in the second round of the boys football match, Arjun, you might be remembering that, and they were losing, I think 1-0 at half time, second round or third round match, and they were having a huddle at half time. And Sir came up to them and said, "बड़े आज तो हमने 10-15 गोल मार ही देंगे। आज तो बड़े 10-15 गोल मार के जाएंगे। आज जीत के जाएंगे बड़े। और नानी बड़े। he gets the most angry and we get really scared during the fest time. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you.